wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding shovels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Smittybilt 2728 Matte doesn't have all the bells and whistles that some do, but it's an affordable model that might get you out of a jam someday. When collapsed, it's less than a foot long, so you don't need a lot of space to store it. It comes with a double serrated blade edge and a storage bag with a hanging loop. However, it feels flimsier than many. At number 9, the orientools snow shovel is a decent value for its price, even though it is a little short for extensive use. It's best suited for emergencies, such as if you ever need to dig your car or truck tires out of some deep powder. It's equipped with a big D-shaped grip and a ribbed blade for strength. It's offered in 3 sizes. Coming in at number 8 on our list, from pickaxe to saw to bottle opener, the multi-purpose Antarctica military serves a range of uses and happens to come in both black and silver too. The high-quality aluminum alloy isn't heavy and should stand up to years of use. It's backed by a 1-year warranty, however it is pricier than many and there are several pieces to keep track of. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding shovels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Outdoor Anywhere stainless steel is perfect for camping or as part of an emergency kit. Thanks to a folding blade and a handle that unscrews, it can fit in almost any pack for easy portability, or under the seat of a truck or car. It's good for digging fire pits and comes in a bright orange pouch, but it's not great for big tasks. Moving up our list to number 6, the Iunio Tactical is a versatile model that can be used for digging, sawing, chopping, cutting, picking, prying, hammering, extracting nails, and of course, shoveling. It's a comfortable design that feels good in the hand, especially thanks to a tough rubber grip. You can use it straight or at a 90-degree angle, and it's tough enough to crack ice if needed. However, note that it is smaller than a true military shovel. Halfway up our list at number 5, the SOG F19N Elite folds out to a length of 26 inches, making it useful for digging larger entrenchments than most other options are capable of. It has a straight-edged blade that can be used for chopping, but its best feature is a saw attachment hidden inside the handle. It feels well balanced and is backed by a lifetime warranty, but the locking mechanism can be frustrating. At number 4, the Schrade SCH-SH1 telescoping features a collapsible polypropylene handle that's reinforced by an aluminum inner tube, so you don't have to worry about it bending. The edges of the carbon steel spade come sharpened for breaking hard, packed ground. It's equipped with an ergonomic T-shaped handle and weighs just over 2 pounds. However, unfolding it isn't intuitive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Glock entrenching tool has a 6.2-inch wide and 10-inch long head with a removable blade on the handle for sawing. For those on stealthy missions, its black finish ensures light doesn't reflect off the metal to betray your position. It packs down very compactly and includes a nylon pouch with a belt loop. It's sturdy and impact resistant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding shovels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made by a leading name in utility knives, the 2-pound Gerber folding e-tool is crafted to stand the test of time. It's a rugged and reliable choice that doesn't flex as you dig, so you can safely put all your weight behind it. It comes with a durable anodized shaft and a strong glass-filled nylon handle. It unfolds to 2 feet long. And taking the top spot on our list, the Ames USGI Original is a genuine US military issue model that belongs in the gear arsenal of any service personnel preparing for active duty. It's an extremely durable construction with a black powder-coated finish that's scratch and abrasion resistant. The spade locks in multiple positions and is manufactured in the USA in a compact trifold design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding shovels, or simply click beneath this video.